In this video, I'm going to show you how to oil paint in Adobe Fresco. So to do this, first you want to go to the top left over here where you have your brushes, and you want to select this one, which is the live brush. So you want to click on it, and then when it's selected, when it's blue, you want to click on it again, and it's going to open up the live brushes menu. Now in here you can see you have a bunch of categories. You want to go to this one, which is called oil, and then in here you have a bunch of different oil brushes. So you have the oil paint flat, round, you have filbert, detail, glaze, chunky, and short. These are the default ones you're gonna have. So here you can just select the one you want to use. I'm actually gonna go with this oil paint glaze right now, so I'm gonna click on it, and then I'm gonna click on here again to close this. And now from here you can go and select your color. I'm gonna go with light green for now. Then you can go and select your size of your brush, as you can see over here. Then you can go and select its flow, so you can do it like this or like this, up to you. I'm going to make it like 95 over here, so almost max. And then this one allows you to, of course, change paint mix. Then over here you can enable a paint inside if you're painting inside the lines. And then from here you can change angle, quality, canvas texture, etc. So of course you also can test your color over here, and if it looks good you can just go ahead and start painting. And there we go. This is how you can oil paint. Okay, so we can use, of course, a bunch of different brushes which are inside the oil paint category, and you can just go and change colors, and you can paint whatever you want as basically an oil paint. Okay, so if you're trying to paint a specific image, for example, you could go and click on place image over here, and then you can click on files, you can find it, and you can just click on open. And there we go. It's going to open up just like this, as you can see over here. Now you can click on done top right, and you can go ahead and start painting. So I'm gonna use this oil brush, click, and then as you can see, if I right click on the layer and click on convert to pixel layer, I can enable this paint inside lines over here, and then I can start painting inside the actual lines using my oil paint. Okay, so my brush in my case is a bit too big for this, but you get the point. You can go and just start painting that way and basically paint your images like it's basically oil paint. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.